Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS17C6. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your keyboard is feeling all sticky, it's likely due to spills, dust, or just general wear and tear. Over time, these substances can accumulate under the keys, leading to a frustrating typing experience. If left unchecked, this issue can worsen, potentially causing more significant damage to the keyboard and affecting your overall productivity. To fix this, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, some isopropyl alcohol, a soft cloth, and a replacement keyboard if necessary. To begin the repair, start by ensuring your MSI MS17C6 is completely powered off and unplugged. Lay it flat on a clean surface and remove the battery if possible. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel. Be mindful of the screws, as some may be longer than others. Once the panel is off, gently use the plastic prying tool to detach the keyboard from the chassis. Look for any clips or connectors securing it in place and release them gently. Now, you should be able to locate the faulty keyboard component. Inspect it closely for any signs of damage or residue. If the keys are sticky, you can try cleaning them with isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth. If that doesn't resolve the issue, it's time to replace the keyboard. Disconnect the keyboard ribbon cable from the motherboard by lifting the locking tab gently. Then, remove any screws holding the keyboard in place and lift it out carefully. Installing the new keyboard is essentially the reverse of this process. Align it properly, reconnect the ribbon cable, and secure it with screws. Be cautious not to apply too much force when reconnecting cables and avoid touching other components nearby to prevent damage. Once everything is back in place, reattach the back panel and screw it down securely. Finally, power up your device and check that the keyboard functions correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent your keyboard from becoming sticky again, consider using a keyboard cover and keeping your workspace clean. Regularly cleaning your keyboard can also help prolong its lifespan and keep it functioning smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.